Remember when creators panicked over TikTok almost getting banned? That moment was not just about losing an app, it was a wake-up call. It showed how vulnerable creators really are when they build everything on platforms they don't control. One regulation, one policy shift, and everything can be despair. Now think about the value behind every like you have ever given on Twitter, Instagram, or any social platform. That tiny tap, that little heart or thumbs up, all added up to billions in revenue, just not for the creators. That value went somewhere but really into a creator's pocket. It got absorbed into algorithms, into ad models, into shareholders' profits. But ProMeet flipped that model on its head by letting the people who love your work, your buyers and fans, pay you instantly and directly through trustless automated micro payments. It's not a future dream, it's live right now. You can earn every second you watch, not once a month. There's no middleman deciding your worth. In 2025, being a content creator is thrilling and exhausting. Every single day feels like a mix of excitement and burnout. You are your own camera crew, editor, marketer, and strategist. You brainstorm, you film, you edit, and then you do it all again. 1 minute you are filming a short clip in golden hour light, the next you are deep in a 5-hour edit session trying to sync audio and remove background noise. Then you jump between YouTube, Instagram, Patreon, and Twitch, managing content calendars, replying to DMs, tweaking thumbnails, and still wondering when or if you actually get paid. Even with all that hustle, you often still are not paid enough. Platform fees stack up, payout days drift, sometimes week or months. Earnings remains a mystery. Numbers fluctuate, dashboard update inconsistently. Sound familiar? But that's about to change. ProMeet is a Web3 powered platform built to give creators a direct line to the people who value them most, buyers and fans, so revenue flows straight from their wallets to yours. No confusion, no red tape, and no guessing. So how does it work? Think of ProMeet as a powerful yet simple toolkit made for creators. It built with modern creators in mind, those who juggle content, coaching, and community. Whether you host private coaching, stream live sessions, sell exclusive videos, or interact one-on-one with your fans, every dollars come from the fan who click buy, not a middleman platform that slices off huge chunks of your earning. It layers on something none of them offered: instant global USDC payments directly from your audience to you. That means no banks, no delays, no surprises. Just creators and their fans connected by code and mutual support. And everything happens in real time without waiting on monthly payouts or approvals. Fans love the simplicity, creators love the freedom. It's a win-win on both ends. And why it's taking off? The first is transparent 10% fee paid out of what fans spend. ProMeet takes a flat 10% cut, leaving 90% of each fan's payment in the creator's pocket. That means when someone pays you $100, you will get $90 instantly. Compare that to Twitch, that is 50%, for YouTube that is up to 45%, or Patreon that is up to 40% plus extra fees. And the difference is obvious. You are not losing your income to multiple layers of fees and hidden costs. You are earning what you deserve. The second one is USDC instant payment. A fan buys and you get paid now, literally now, not later. Stable coins eliminate volatility while preserving Web3 speed. It feels like magic, but it's not magic. It's just a better financial system built for speed, transparency, and fairness. It's money that moves as fast as your creativity. The next one is no KYC and maximum privacy. Creators keep their privacy, fans keep theirs. No government ID uploads, no weird approval wait times. Sign up, share your wallet, and start earning. It's simple. You stay in control of your identity, your data, and your cash flow. The fourth is seamless buying for fans. Crypto native fans pay in seconds. They already know the drill, wallet tokens, transaction. It's second nature. But even non-crypto fans get handheld through wallet setup, guided smoothly through the process. In the way the money reaches you immediately. No learning curve, no block payments, just frictionless support. Let's make it real with an example. Meet Alex, a fitness coach in New York. Before ProMeet, he juggled Zoom links and Stripe payment. He had to email invoices, wait for confirmation, manage multiple platforms just to make a living. But now Alex schedules a live one-on-one session in 2 clicks. No back and forth scheduling nightmares. Charges $60, Alex client pays, and Alex receives 90%, that is 54% instantly in USDC. No middleman, no delays, no payout pending. Upload workout plans for purchase. Fan pays, Alex earns, no waiting. It's a passive income stream built on the same platform he already uses. No extra tools, no downloads, no software juggling. Everything Alex needs is built right into ProMeet. Banking resolved, coaching simplified. Now multiply that by 1,000 creators in every niche, from artists to therapists to music teachers, and you will see how big this shift really is. The ProMeet ambassador program, but there's a cool part. Creators are not just only one who can earn. Influencers, community leaders, group admins, and even fans can share ProMeet with their circle and receive up to 50% of the platform 10% free every time their referred creators get paid by fans. Yes, you read that right. You can earn real-time lifetime USDC commission just by helping creators discover ProMeet. Whether you post a tweet, write a blog, or just DM a friend, if they sign up through your link, you share in their success. It's a new kind of affiliate system, fair, decentralized, and instantly rewarding. And why the creator community is rallying. Creators today demand direct monetization from fans. Fans want to support you directly, and you want that support without a middleman. Global reach without borders. Whether your fan is in Berlin, Bangalore, or Boston, payments happen instantly in USDC. No currency conversions, no foreign banking delays. Transparent fees and control check. No hidden fine print, no unexpected deduction, just a clear 10% free and the rest is yours. ProMeet answers all of this with 100 plus new creator store launching daily. That's not hype, it's a momentum. CEO Jonathan summed it up best. We build ProMeet so creators can thrive on fan support, not platform handout. That one sentence says everything. Creators don't want favors, they want tools that work. So if you create, coach, entertain, teach, ProMeet lets you fan pay you in real time, no middleman, no delays. It's bring the power back to your wallet, your brand, your creative business. If you influence or simply believe in empowering creators, join the ProMeet program and share in the value generated every time a creators get paid. It's a rare opportunity to support creators and grow with them financially. It's transparent, decentralized, fair. The future of the creator economy is direct fan to creator payments powered by ProMeet. So check the link in the description so a fan can start supporting you today. And don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button too. And I will see you in this next video.